Welcome back to another episode on the Earth Dwellers channel. We are in our little greenhouse here. It is mid-morning. I wanted to come out here because we had just planted, we just made a video showing all of our sprouts in here, which we have been recycling. We planted out our French radishes here. We have all these French radishes. We planted about a square inch in diameter all the way around them. We planted our beets into this bed here. And we're slowly going to be phasing this bed back and planting all of our pak choi and some of our broccoli successionally as we take all of this lettuce out of here and harvest it for food. So I just basically wanted to come out here and show that last night 6 degrees outside did not affect our plants inside. This ground is nice and thawed. It is not froze. Our water's still running, our fan is still running, and it is matching the rate of frames. Looks pretty wild, but we're blowing nice and hot air out of here. It feels great when we come out here in the morning and it's like a sauna in our greenhouse already. We are thankful for all the systems we've put in place here. So aside from keeping all of our transplants alive and being able to sprout them in our greenhouses, I wanted to give another little update on all of this life coming up in this bed here. Throughout this entire bed, we got little green sprouts, and this is just a free little experiment. We wanted to be able to successfully sprout all of these very quickly. So even with 6 degrees at night and negative windshield temperatures and not reaching above freezing for weeks at a time here, that's how it is in our winter in our climate zone here. So we've been preparing for that this whole entire time with all of our systems. They are functioning properly, allowing us to have baby plants sprouting up on the floor of our greenhouse. And we were able to harden these off right in our greenhouse, right on the floor here, because the base stays warm, the air is a little bit cooler, so we are able to transplant them out and keep them hardened off, and they do not die from shock being transplanted into our greenhouse here. So next time we come back out here, this will slowly start to phase out, and we will slowly start to phase these plants that we're sprouting into our bed here. I just wanted to make this quick little update to show that it can be done. You can grow all winter. We have lots of food going, not just in our greenhouse here. We have a double poly. We have a compost heated cold frame that's working very well for us too. So all of our experiments seem to be working well. So that tells me it can be done. We can grow all winter. We just have to put a little bit of energy into our systems to be able to sustain growth through the winter time. I hope everybody enjoyed this little update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My son's out there running around. Thank you guys for watching.